Hi, this is Paul from Reliable POD, and this is a tutorial on how to create designs for our stainless steel 500 ml bottles using our free templates and our Shopify app. The first thing you want to do is download the template. So if you go across to the website and under each product, as you scroll down, you'll find the template here and an overview of the size. There's also a video which will be here showing you how to use the template. And we've also got a mock-up down here, and there's a video here showing you how to use mock-ups. With the bottles being completely cylindrical, we display them this way because they're so narrow. If you just try to display the image there, you wouldn't see too much of it. So we wrap it out across 3 bottles just to give you an idea of how much it wraps round. So once you've got your template, you download it, you can see that the size is 1322 by 761 pixels at 200 dpi. Again, that's pixels, not millimeters. And the way our app works is when you're uploading, you have to upload to exactly the pixel dimension. Even if you're 1 pixel off, it won't allow you to upload it. And we do this because of the way the software works in scaling the designs across everything. So we have to be very strict about this. But if you use the templates, you'll be fine. So I've got a designer created. There's one here. If we look at the size, image size 1322 by 761, 200 dpi. If we copy that, Control C, and if we drop that on, that should fit perfectly. And that's it really. Just save your design and upload it, and that'll be good. Let's say, for instance, though, you didn't want to do, you hadn't got a design like that, and you just wanted to drop some text in the middle. If we delete this layer here, let's find a design. Let's find this one. Copy that. Then come across. If you paste that into your document, if you use Control T in Photoshop, then hold the Shift key and pull one of the corners, you can make it to as big as you want. Let's say you wanted to position it there, press the tick box, and that's good. But obviously you wouldn't save it like that, else you'll get all the background printing out. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can go down here, uncheck that on the bottom right, and just delete the back row. Or another way you can do it is come over here, make sure you've got white as the background color, and then press Control and backspace while you're on the background layer, and that'll fill it with white, and you just save it and then upload the image. Hope that helps. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.